Alrighty, so first thing we gotta do is there we go. And the nut. Now you put the secret sauce on here. Tire lube. You can buy it in like spray bottles or whatever. Personally, I'm just using some 99-cent cheap store body wash mixed with water. There we go. And just pull out the tube. And we get to where the valve core is. Lift the tire up. And out she goes. I think we got it. Okay. That was super easy. Not easy, it's a tough job. So now we have the rim. And now we're going to just take the spokes off of it. I don't have the proper spoke wrench, so I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver on the outsides here. And the last one, I'm going to hold the spoke so the hub doesn't just drop. So now the hub and the wheel are separate. And we're going to pull all the spokes out. Now to finish getting the rear hub ready for powder, we're going to take off the brake disc and the gear on the other side. So let's knock this out real quick. Brake disc comes right off. We put this somewhere safe. And we go over to this side. And next step is getting bearings out and then off to powder. And I'll give you a guess at what colors we're going with. Not quite the same as the old OG Grom, but something fun. Here's a hint. Started off life as a blue DRZ, but we have a little something other going on the front here. It's gonna be a real exciting bite. Can't wait to show you when it's done. Now off to pressing the bearings and getting everything ready for powder.